Hello, my name is Greg Shiljan, field representative up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I'm going to show you an application called Texter today, and it's an alternative to Robotype. For some reason, the version that was emailed around to us is not compatible with my Windows 7. And so I did a little searching around and found a program called Texter that's a freeware. So you can download it and use it for free for an alternative to Robotype. The website to go to is listed here above, and I'm also going to send Chuck and Scott a link to it, and so they can forward it along with the video if any of you are having issues with Robotype working and want to try out Texter. So go ahead and go to the website, scroll down to the Texter download here. Make sure that it is the version 0.6. A lot of the earlier versions like 0.1, 0.3, and so on have quite a few bugs in them, and I found that the version 0.6 gets a lot of those bugs out, and so far I haven't had any issues with the Texter version 0.6. So the first thing that you'll want to do is download it. Go ahead and follow the setup on it. And once you have it downloaded and going through the setup, it might ask you to download some toolbars or other applications that aren't related to Texter. That's their means of advertising. You can actually cancel those toolbars and whatnot. It kind of looks like the only option is cancel or next. It's a little trick, but you can just hit cancel and it brings you on to the download. Once you have it downloaded, go over to your notifications. Texter should be in the notifications. If not, you can search for the file and open up the Texter document. Once you have it open, the only bundle that you'll have available is default. Bundles are similar to the library for Robotype. But to create a bundle as well as import or export bundles, you have that option there. I went ahead and just added a bundle called Reliable Reports. Now once you create a bundle, the hot strings or abbreviations screen will obviously be blank, but to add one you're going to hit the plus sign. Go ahead and add in your abbreviation. So if you want AV to stand for address verification, just type in AV over at the hot string and type in what you want it to stand for. And then I believe by default it's on instant. I strongly advise against instant on some of these shorter abbreviations, because anytime that you start off with a word beginning with AV, it'll spit out address verification. So for instance, you needed to type out available. As soon as you type in AV of available, it'll automatically spit out address verification if it's on instant. Now other ones that are longer abbreviations that have a lot of consonants in them, and I don't think I'll ever type in those words or letters for anything else but my abbreviations I have on instant. Go ahead and select the bundle that you want it to go to, and then go ahead and click OK. Now the nice thing about this is I actually leave this window open when I'm doing reports, especially just starting out using Texter, because anytime that I was going through and filling out labels on iPhoto and I wanted an abbreviation for, I went into the hot string, created an abbreviation for what I wanted it to stand for, and then typed in the text. Now you can edit a hot string, but you can edit the text for what it stands for. To delete a hot string, you just click the minus and then go ahead and delete the hot string. Okay. Some of the other nice things about Texter is in the tools under Preference and Print. They have you can create a printable Texter cheat sheet. And what this does is it shows a page of all the abbreviations and how they're triggered. So, for instance, like address verification triggered by space. And you'll see that a lot of mine are triggered by space, but I do have some that are instant. And this is just the start. Like, for instance, the reason that I don't have SNP as a instant is because I also have SNP1, which stands for siding needs paint less than 10%. Okay, going back to here. Now, anytime preferences is open, your Texter will not work for abbreviation. So make sure that that's closed. Just going to show you here address verification, hit the space, prints it out. Now labeling where things are located at, as I pointed out before, trim needs paint 1. And let's say that that was located on the front side. My abbreviation for front in brackets is just F. So some of the other ones is that front right view, front left view, and so on. So just different abbreviations for different text makes iPhoto and doing reports go a lot quicker, just like Robotype does. Only this one, as far as I know, is compatible with any system out there. But I haven't gotten a chance to test it on Windows 8 yet, but as far as I know, it does work on Windows 7. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, you can always email me at gschildgen@field.reliablereports.com. Thanks and have a great day.